Because
Sharks.
it means we wanna eat people.
Yeah, nom nom nom.
Hum num num num. Every time you grab someone, you gotta go hum num num num. Let's do it.
Totally. I'm down.
Hum num 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 num.
I'm a shot.
Hum num 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 num. Yeah. Fuck you, Steve. Fucking bitch. Fuck you, Steve. Run away.
Oh, they have spear guns.
Oh god. Oh fuck, I missed. Oh god.
Shark.
At the same time, I'm a shark. A shark. What kind of eating noise is that? What?
I'm a fucking shark, Brian.
What? Attack from
Hold on,
above.
Get this guy over here.
Thanks for watching. Sneaky shark.
You sound like a Pokemon.
Sharker. What?
Shaka.
Sharker. Shark.
Oh my god.
Dude, just imagine like when the Pokemon world was first born, and humans just walked around and found a fucking Scyther, and that'd just be the scariest shit in the world if you've never seen a Scyther before in your life. A fucking
Scyther.
yeah, dude, it has blade
Sickle
arms.
for
Yeah, so if that shit just popped out of nowhere, you'd start freaking out.